internet cafe inside our library in DINSLAKEN. We have internet rooms here. I can borrow CDs and DVDs and Blu-rays. So in this room, in diesem Raum kein Essen und Trinken. Also bawal dito ang kumain at uminom. It is internet room. Dito ka pwede uminom at kumain. Diyan, pwede ka uminom at kumain. You can buy coffee, cacao, latte macchiato. May coffee machine dito. So, dito kami pwedeng kumain or uminom. So, pag nandito ako sa DINSLAKEN, hindi ako mabubore actually. Kasi, yan. Cafe, espresso, cacao, cacao cream, cappuccino, milk, coffee macchiato, espresso, shock. Anong espresso shock? So, we pay every cappuccino 50 cents. So, hindi mahal dito sa bakery. Mag 3 euro ang kape. Mahal. Dito 50 cents lang. So, marami dito ang nagpupunta, lalo na ang mga seniors, yung hindi na sila nagtatrabaho. So, they borrow books also to read at home or makasave din ng heater kasi malamig na ngayon sa loob ng apartments. So, we gain friends also here. Yan. Nandito ang internet room. Yan ang internet room. So, I printed today. I paid 10 cents for one paper na print mo. We can buy papers here inside the library. Sa infos, doon ka magbabayad. So, nagprint ako ng application, letters, para makapagtrabaho ako ulit. So, yan. Yan ang loob ng internet room dito. Yan. Bawal dito ang maingay. So, there are toilets also. Pag may mga seminars o conference, dito rin nila ginaganap. So, yun. Yung pwede magtrabaho dito. Yung mga students na after nila mag-graduate, dito sila. So, yan. There are toilets here for men and women. So, malapit lang sa internet room. Yan. So, I have to go out. Kasi hanggang 6 p.m. lang sila. On Sundays, they are open. Nag-start pala ng March 2022. Nag-start sila na open ang Sundays. So, yan. I can print and borrow CDs. CDs lang ang borrow ko ngayon, hindi DVDs. So, I have to go now. Kasi hanggang 6 p.m. lang sila. Library inside. Yan. You can choose kung saan mo gusto mo po. This is our library. Sa first floor ito. Yan. I will miss the library. luxury library here in DINSLAKEN. Our library here. So, yan. Color of my back. Red, white, blue. Lahat nakasulat. So many books, so little time. Yan. Yan ang first floor. Yan ang first floor. Oh, I love the color. Look, my jacket. Red, blue, and white. My jacket in my bag. You can hang your jackets here. And nandito ang toilets. Another toilets. Left side is for girls, the other door is for men. Yes, here is the library. Nasa first floor ako. So yan. This is what the library here. So yan. So, ganyan ang library namin dito. You can see, it's nice, no? Organized. Yan. Learn Center. Nakasulat. You can borrow also newspapers and tablets. Okay. Ito ang elevator going down. So, elevator going down. Oops. Oh, yan. So, letter E is issues. So, umaga na green na. Kala ko sira. Hindi pala sira. So, nasa ground floor ako. You can put also your things here. You can also put your things here. If ever marami kang dala. So since I get some CDs, I have two. Ibinalik ko ang dalawang CDs. They are new. So, may €1 pa for 1 week. Yung walang €1 ang ibabarrow ko muna because I have no enough money this time. Aquarium ng library. Oh, yan. Aquarium ng library. So, we can photocopy here. Yan ang photocopierer. Yes. Fish, 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 fish. Yan ang aquarium inside the library. I think needs cleaning ngayon ang glass. Medyo blurred. You need this ID. So, house liar. Symphony of his. Adele, the second CD. So, her book.
Erst den Ausweis im Hotel.
Say.
Frau, kannst du begrüßen? Oh. Keine Sorge, die Bücher sind nicht weg, kızım.
Oh, Maria Carey.
Verlass. Ausleihe.
Adele again.
Nochmal zurück.
20.
Den Ausweis so halten, dass dieser rote Lichtstrahl den Strich gut.
Ah, okay.
Braxton.
Können Sie es auf die Platte legen, dann tippen Sie einmal weiter am Anfang, dann sehen
Ja.
Sie es verbunden. Legen Sie ein, den anderen drauf.
This one.
Dann können Sie beenden mit oder ohne Druck. Möchten Sie einen Beleg, damit Sie wissen, wann Sie es abnehmen
Ja,
müssen?
besser. Super. Das war's schon, ne? Danke.
Genau, bitte.
Tschüss.
So, ito lang ang ID. Finish borrowing. Ito ang pinaka-receipt. How many CDs you borrowed. So, I borrowed 6 CDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, kailangan ko isauli on November 11. And then, you can extend per email. Per email, pwede mong i-extend. May website sila and they will send you email kailan ang last day na dapat mo isauli. I printed it upstairs sa internet view. So, yan ang ground floor ng library. So, yan. Dito may hagdanan papunta sa, you can use hagdanan, stairs, or elevator. Walang escalator dito. Yan. Doon ang children's kinder and Jugendbücherei for children. Ang isang room na iyon. So, may Xerox Kopierer kami dito. So, yan. Yan. Dito mo i-scan ang ID mo sa library. So, you can borrow the CDs. Pwede mong i-print. Yan. I pay for adults 16 euros for 1 year. 16 euros for 1 year ang registration. For children, for teenager, for schoolers, mas mura sila. I think they only pay 12 euros a year. So yeah. These are the automatic na pwede mong i-return ang mga books or CDs na hiniram mo. So yan. Mali pala ako. Since October this year until March next year, we are open on Saturdays and Sundays from 1 p.m. until 6 p.m. without personnel. So, they are open Saturday and Sundays from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Wow. So, but on Sundays, I usually go to church. So, I don't come here on Sundays. Nasa labas na ako ng library. It's windy and cold. Yan, labas ng library. Ganyan, dito madilim na ang 6 p.m. 6 p.m. magsasara ang library. So, yan. Yan ang gigin over ng library in DINSLAKEN. DINSLAKEN is small, but we have a luxury library. You can also return the books and CDs here outside. Pag sarado ang library, pwede ka sa labas mag-return. Yan. Pwede ka mag-return dito sa labas. DINSLAKEN, Germany. Good evening from Germany. Oh, it's cold now. Yeah, ganyan ang DINSLAKEN. Here, near the library. Cold now. Cold, cold, cold. So I will wait for the train para doon ako sumakay papunta sa apartment. Punta ako ng DINSLAKEN. 5 minutes to wait. 5 minutes to wait bago dumating ang STR 903 going to Bahnhof DINSLAKEN. Doon ako mag-wait ng bus para sa papunta sa apartment. So, ganito ang 6 p.m. in Germany. I have to borrow CDs para mabisi ako to learn some music. Kaysa wala na akong pera sa kakahuigo. Natuto ako to play slot machines. I was able to learn how to play slot machines here in Germany. My first time on the 30th of October. I won, pero the next day I lost. It's not a good idea to be addicted to play slot machines. You will lose every day. But it's an experience for me to play slot machines, and now I'm learning not to play again. Nakaka-addict pala. Ganito pala ang feeling ng addicted sa huigo. Sa slot machines. I was in the casino many times this month, almost every day. Ay, wag na kayong matuto, not unless you are already retired, because it's not easy. It's like you are addicted in alcohol, you have addiction in buying. Yes, mahirap pala. My train is coming, so I have to prepare my mask, my mouth mask. We are not allowed to take the trains or bus without mask. So, sabi 1 minute pa. Nakasulat 1 minute, pero ang na-delayed ngayon ang train. May nakasulat na einer Verkehrsbehinderung für Oh, 2 minutes again. Sabi kanina 1 minute, ngayon 2 minutes again. So yan. Late ang train. So I'm waiting for the train. It's 2 minutes. Nak, ay nako. So soon. It means 6 o'clock. So, nandito ulit ako sa China Imbis. So, I have to wait 40 minutes sa order ko para for my tomorrow's food. Mas maganda ko kumain ng may rice kaysa bread. Yan. So, siguro kasi sabi babalik ako ng 30 to 40 minutes. Yan. 30 to 40 minutes. Maglakad-lakad muna ako. Ang order, marami silang order ngayon sa China Imbis Walk. So, sinasabihan kami kung kailan mapipick up ang order ko. Isa lang naman ang order ko for my food tomorrow. Kaysa mas mabuti na yun sa pagkain. Laki na nang nagastos ko sa slot machines. Ay. Oh. I go to the bus stop siguro. Uwi muna ako, then pick up my order. Uwi ako sa apartment kasi marami akong dala CDs. I borrowed CDs, printed application letters, spontaneous. So, nadira ako na akong application letters. Maraming kunot-kunot. Bagong print lang ito, tapos yan, spontan kasi ang pag-print ko. So wala akong dalang folder. Yan. Ganito. I'm walking papunta sa bus stop. So I try to wait bus here, and then go home. Siguro i-pick up ko ang food ko after 40 minutes. Since busog pa naman ako, so I only need one time mag-eat ng rice. Yes. So, nandito na ako. Schedule ng bus. What time is it? Oh my, 17 or 18 or 4. English. Lin? Shabgidak ta Swarlin. Oh God. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Close ko muna. Malamig na. I'm waiting for the bus. Ciao.